Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. They've got for you Ducati Multistrada 1200 DVT. This is the latest model. Absolutely lovely is this. 2016 on a 66 plate, only done 4,156 miles. Come with the Brembo monoblocks there. The new DVT engine's a lot smoother. This one's got the touring pack, so you've got the centre stand, which you can see down there, and the panniers. It's got a full Ducati service history as well, and they come with traction control, ABS, wheelie control, cornering ABS. Fabulous bike. All the switchgear lights up as well, which we'll show you in a second. Really are a cool bike. We'll show you the dashboard in here. They come with heated grips and standard, literally just ready to go. Keyless as well. And you can see there, traction control, ABS, wheelie control, and all the switchgear lights up, cruise control, everything on there, so you can see it all at night. It's a brilliant all-round tourer or a sports tourer, brilliant bike of these. Give it a start for you. ...160 horsepower, and they're a brilliant bike. They just do everything. So come on down to Jordanbikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.